Hi, I'm just going to show you the differences between taking photos the normal way with just a standard iPhone Touch or iPod Touch that I have here today and using the ORDITAL app. I've got a couple of pumps here with me. I'm going to use the standard iPod camera to take a photo of this piece of equipment, and I'm going to take a photo of its nameplate. Now I'm going to take a photo of this other piece of equipment and its nameplate. So very quickly, 4 photos to capture those critical bits of information. But now what I'm going to do is capture the same information, this time with the ORDITAL app. With the ORDITAL app, I can set the configuration. This is running in standalone mode, but I can set the image size. What size do I want the image at any rate along there. I'm going to leave it at 50%. And then I'm going to go back and create an asset. It gives me a default asset name, or I can put in my own asset name. In this case, calling it E2. And I want to say, alright, I want to take a photo of the equipment. So this is the equipment. Now I want to take a photo of the nameplate. So there's the nameplate. And for good measure, I would like to go and take another one, maybe from a different angle this time. And I'm going to use that photo. I'm happy with that, so I'll say I'm done. Now I'll go back and create another one. Once again, it's given me a default name. I can say I like that or I don't like that. In this case, I'm going to call this one E7. And I'm going to start adding photos to that one. I want to take a photo of the equipment, and I want to take a photo of the nameplate. And maybe I'll take another photo of a nameplate just for good measure. Just slightly down, getting a little bit more information. So I'm happy with that. Now all I want to do is export that to my Dropbox, that's what it's doing, and we'll go back now to my computer and have a look. Okay, so now I come back to my desktop, and these are the 4 photos that we just took with the iPhone camera, the iPod camera. You can see how the iPhone or the iPod renames them: photo, the date, the time, and that's all that the photo library gives us. Now let's compare that with what we got back from the ORDITAL app, and you can see I know that it's against tag E2, equipment in that photo, and what number it is. In this next one, it's a nameplate number 1 against tag number E2. Down here it's E2, nameplate, and the second in the series of the nameplate. I can now go and have a look at the list of those equipment. I don't even have to open it. I know from the file name that this particular one here is the equipment photo. There's only one in the series. It's against tag E7. So I don't have to go and open any of those photos, but also because I've classified it at the time I took the photo, I know what attributes I'm going to be able to get out of each of those also without having to go and open it. And that's what we're doing when we're classifying it at the time of capture. It takes the same time to take the photos, but I now don't have to come back to the office and try and remember what tag that was all against. In this case here, we've got 2 bits of equipment, it's easy. But if I was out there taking hundreds of photos of hundreds of bits of equipment, I've got a real problem trying to put that all back together at the end of the day. And that's what we're doing with the standalone mode. In the enterprise mode, this would be loaded up to the server as well with a whole bunch more data. But anyway, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it.